Folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. So check it out. In this video, listen, I'm going to show you how to make money as a newbie with Canva. Listen, if you don't know what Canva is, it's probably a hidden gem. And a lot of new people start here. As a matter of fact, I started here years ago when I started in the online industry. Let me tell you why. Because I was broke. I had no money. And what I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this using Canva. You don't have to spend any money. It's not a lot of time. And remember to sub to the channel. Like, you see that black guy right there? Just sub to this guy. Looks like he's about to go take a dump here. Sub to the channel because every day or every other day I'll create a video for you. Okay? Wait, listen. Very simple. So Canva gives you the opportunity to basically, you can create a Facebook story, Instagram story, like templates basically, like designs, right? So it's another site that you need to open right now as well. And this is the secret that many internet marketers do that you just don't know, but you're about to know because Wesley is about to put you on game here. Look, keyword Google Planner. All you have to do is go to google.com, type in Google Planner. It's free. And listen, this is how we get ideas. And this is how you create an internet company because you want to know what's already working. So this is what you're going to do. Type in Instagram templates. Okay. Now, why do I do that? Because right now we have Instagram templates, Facebook templates here on Canva that we don't have to create. They're already for free. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make money. Doesn't matter, boy, girl, woman, or man, right now as you watching the video to the very end. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna type in Instagram templates, click get results here, and as you can see, look, big head, 14,000 people per month, right? It's the estimate that searched this. So what that means is 14,000 people are already searching for Instagram templates, right? And you can do all types of templates, right? It could be Facebook templates. Look at this. See, the thing is, you want to use the keyword planner, and I use this all the time, by the way, when I create new companies here. See, 2,400 searches per month. So what we're going to do is stick to the Instagram templates. Why? Because we already know a market exists. Most people never make money like you is because you don't do your research. But I'm going to do it for you. All I ask you to do is smash the like button, baby. Can you do that? Smash the like button. So listen, we know 14,000 people are already doing it. So listen. We're going to go basically to Instagram posts here. And what you're going to see right here on the screen is templates for free that you can utilize. And the great thing about it, you click on it, and this is all online, right? You can change it like this, right? You see that right there? You can move this stuff around. So basically, you're just creating the template that's already done for you. And I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, how am I going to make money though? I mean, I need to make some money. I got bills to pay. I want to quit school. I want to leave my job. Listen up. I'm going to show you how to make a couple of thousand. I know one buddy, he's making 40,000 a month doing this, right? So listen. So basically, you can choose all these different templates because right now it's popular. 14,000 people are searching in Google, right? Now, the question is, how do I make money? Easy. Go to the site, Etsy.com. And this is crazy, right? You know, Etsy, a lot of people believe that you just buy little trinkets and stuff like this. But look, let me show you something that you've never seen before. Watch this, Instagram templates. I'm gonna show you people who are killing it right now. Look at this person here. All right, I'm gonna do a search. I'm gonna go to top reviews here. Look at that, that's 435 people who have purchased this guy's template. They probably just did on Canva, honestly, right? Like you're about to do in a second here. But he's made about, what, that's like $4,000 per month, right? Look at this guy, 200 times 20. That's like, what, another $4,000 to $40,000 per month. You see here? So the thing is, it works, right? This is all you have to do. And let me show you how to make sure that people get your templates. But look, this is how you create it. You go here, you go back to the Canva website, and you just create bundles, right? You just make changes. And what I like to do is model. Come at the word model. Smash the like button if you believe in modeling, right? And I'm not talking about putting naked pictures on Instagram and looking for likes. I'm not talking about creating an OnlyFans account. I'm talking about finding an account already on Etsy that does well. You don't have to use your own brain right now. All you do is this. You go to the top reviews, which is this. When you click on it, and you can model exactly what this person is doing. So, because what you want to do is create a profile for free. You want to sign in. It's free, by the way. All this is free, right? And you just create basically what they're doing here. But you do it better. So instead of 20, you put 30. You see what I'm doing here? Instead of 20 shop Instagram post templates, put 20 shop Instagram perfect post templates. Does it make sense? That would make you money, right? You just change the verbiage around. Instead of $9, put $8. So, which means is yours going to be more desirable. So you just go back to Canva here, like I said before, and just create a template and just click the download button. Create another template. And you can do this in any niche. Look, watch this. Say if you want to do sports, just type in sports. All right? And then you'll see sports templates here, right? And you go back here, you just go to Instagram templates. You can put sports. The great thing about this, like $1,000 a month is nothing. That's like I can work 5 minutes a day and do this. Listen, you can do this if you spend some time and just take advantage of all these niches here. Look at this guy right here. Let's see who's making all the money right here. And all you do is click on top customer reviews here, and you'll see the people that are already doing it. Non-sports, tech and fitness, social templates here. $9, $4. So what I would do if I was you right now is create different templates for Instagram in all different niches and just watch the money come in. Listen, you can do this. Go to Canva, get started, use the Google Planner for keyword ideas and start making money right now. Remember, in the bio below, if you ever want to partner with me to make some money, under this video, it says wesleyvirgin.com, online help. I can teach anybody, even a dog and a frog, how to make money online in the next 45 days. And we're talking about 10K per month. Click the link. It's available. It's for you. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated, like that.